that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle.
She's a waitress in a cafe with them friends, they be laughing. Now she's late, stuck in traffic, man, her life is kind of graphic. So she turns her car around and just follows the sound. I was out there pumping the crowd, she tells me something about love. I say 5 o'clock in my hotel, she looked at me, she said okay. I try remember that old fate, it's time for some role play. My show's over, I get in the car, I'm thirsty. I go to the bar, then go to the room, and what do I find? She's on my bed looking so damn fine. I try and make some conversation, try and make some observation. I tell her let's play, but she don't need no confirmation. She take my t-shirt off, ties my hand to the edge of the bed. Damn, she can be so rough, but she's so good at head. Hey, brown girl, take it slow, take your time. I just smoke, take your top off, let it go. Get on top and make it grow. You know
what to do with that big fat butt.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah,
Wiggle, wiggle,
wiggle.
wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah, wiggle.
Just a little bit.
Oh, wiggle. She turned around, got a tattoo of my upper half in light blue. That short hair, those skinny legs, that brown ass, that screaming sex. We take a break, get room service, take a pic, it's too perfect. Man, she making it too worth it. Finally, that cool person. I just wanna know one thing. What took you so long? Where have you been? Who did you teach? What have you seen? Hey, stand up, turn around, hands off, don't make a sound. You're under arrest for being a bob. I'm kinda the best at being a cop. I've learned from the best. I'm being a snob. I'm not gonna press. I'm feeling the song. I've gotta confess. You've been in them hall. I've gotta confess. You've been in the mall. You know.
You know what to do with that big fat butt.
Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh,
Wiggle, wiggle,
wiggle, wiggle. Oh,
just a little bit.
yeah, wiggle, wiggle.
Now make it clap.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Wiggle.
Now make it clap.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Make it clap.
Just throw hands, baby.
Now make it clap.
That's right, now wiggle.